choo-choos?
Oh, because it's the Santa choo-choo train.
Is it called the... Oh.
See, you actually have to hit it pretty hard to turn on.
Can I see?
He turned it on.
Can I try?
To turn this music on?
Yeah.
It's not something that... So my point is, it was sitting like this right here, and nothing was even near touching it, and it turned on by itself.
But Mr.
Guys.
Sninkles did that.
Mr. Sninkles is awesome.
Did you not?
He's trying.
Alright.
That means he's
Choo-choo
trying.
train, you want to turn it on?
That means he's trying to be good. Do you have music?
No, just that one. What will you guys get to do?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to have you put the track together once I pull all the pieces apart.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how. Yes, we need that. Oh, look at you know that it goes on the choo-choo train track. Good job. You can have one. Okay. So, I need, David, I need you to go on the inside.
You mean in there?
Yep.
Oh, God.
Go on. What?
Oh.
No.
That's...
Not unless you see Jesus Christ in here somewhere, no.
What does that mean?
He was being disrespectful. Sit. Alright, you come over here.
I'll be right here.
Okay, Charlotte, I need you over here.
Okay. Because I really can't sit behind there at all.
Why?
Well, because it's there.
Alright, so what I need you to do is watch. This piece and this piece, okay? There's little holes right here and here. You kind of have to gently line them up and then push them together, okay? So, here, David, put these on that piece. And then, Charlotte, you put these pieces together. We're going to try to just make it into a perfect circle. So we're not going to use any of the straight ones. Yeah, here, put it right here. Here, put it right here. Look.
I did the two of them.
You did the two of them? Okay, here, put this big piece on that other end of the big piece over there.
This.
Right there.
Oh.
No, upside down, Charlotte. We're going in a circle, honey. Watch the pattern. Let Charlotte put this piece on, then you can connect to her piece. Oh no, honey, look. Look at the rails are up. Flip it around. Wait, no. Here. This way. Wait, please. Back up. No. We leave them on the tree once they're on the tree. Thank you.
Until Christmas is over.
Yeah. Uh-oh, what happened? Back. No. This is no entrance anymore.
Mommy.
What happened?
Disconnected.
Alright, well that one, okay, so we're gonna push that